Hey everybody, Draco the Juggler here. Welcome back to the weekly Diabolo challenges. For challenge number 2 in the series, you're going to need 1 Diabolo. For 1 point for the beginner trick, you can gain 1 point by doing at least 5 tosses underneath the leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either under your left leg or under your right leg, whichever one you prefer. Just make sure that you get 5 tosses. If you want to get the extra point for this trick and for this week, then you can do a more advanced combo. Start off by doing an under the leg combo like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to do at least 4 different bounces of the ricochet directly into alternating under the legs. And to end the combo, you're going to do a stick toss to a catch. All right, everybody, good luck practicing. Remember that you can get a 3rd bonus point for submitting on time before Sunday this week. Good luck practicing. I wish you the best of luck in getting these tricks, and I hope to see your submissions. Until then, take care.